favorite dolls. This is Crystal Chanel, and I am, oh my gosh, so excited today. Like, can I just tell you how I am anxious and nervous and mostly excited because today I have partnered with Asoph for this haul, but I left it in the hands of fellow YouTuber, fellow baddie, fellow hot girl, Portia Nicole. If you want to see the pics that she chose for your girl, stay tuned. Okay, y'all, so again, I have partnered with Portia Nicole, and she has a similar channel. So if you are all about curvy looks, if you're all about bodacious bodies, if you're all about serving for the gods, like all of that, you need to check her out, okay? So today we collabed, and long story short, she got to pick every single item that you're going to see me try on. So let me know with a thumbs up, let me know with a comment down below what you think of her picks. Let's just jump right into this haul. So this was the first item that I took out the box, and I was just like, oh my gosh, Portia, what are you doing? So at first I was like, girl, am I a Power Ranger or what? But can I be honest with you? After I put it on, first of all, I like the wet feel, the wet look, okay? So I love that about this. I think it makes your booty, because you know, you gotta make sure your booty looks good, okay? So I think the booty looks good. I actually love the shimmer metallic of it all, and I love that it's stretch, okay? So all the sizes I'm gonna put down below, but it is a little big, but it fits very comfortable, and I think it has a lot of give and take. I want y'all to see this color. It is so pretty, y'all. It's like a shiny material, so it kind of has that leather feel, and then it has these beautiful shimmers. Do you see that? And the reason I really appreciate this is because it doesn't hurt. I put on some shimmery items before, and you can feel it kind of scratching you. This is not that kind of material. This is like a shiny material. It doesn't make me feel hot. I had some kind of latexy clothes before, and it makes you feel really hot and sweaty. I'm not getting that from this, and you already know, y'all. Y'all know I love me a good two-piece outfit because you can mix and match. I can wear these biker shorts alone, and I can wear them with like a t-shirt, or I can wear the top alone with some skinny jeans. So it is a two-piece, so that's pretty fun. And then the fact that this is an actual zipper, it goes down as you need it as far as what length, or you can do it all the way up. But I would probably wear this myself, like right here. Okay, so next we have this two-piece set. Again, I am a fan of two pieces. Now this particular two-piece set is definitely different than what I'm used to. I like how you can kind of pull the bottom down to cover any kind of rolls or anything like that you may have. Now this particular material, I mean, it's okay, all right? This particular material, it will stretch white when it stretches on you. It's really an outfit to throw on and just to go, so it just depends on what you're buying for, but this is something that's really different if you're interested in items that you may not see someone else in. This says Love, Hope, Girl, so I think that's a cute little trendy type of detail. You can wear sports, like a strapless bra with this, or a bra maybe that doesn't go so big like I have on, but I think the top is cute and it's flattering. I always find pieces for you dolls that would be flattering to our bodies. You can still wear what you want to wear. You do not have to walk around in a paper bag if you are plus size, thick, curvy, fat, like whatever, girl. Whatever you identify as, own it, and you do not have to be particular to the type of style that you wear or dress, okay? So this is something I think that is flattering because it does go high waist, and then also you can pull down the bottom as far down as you need, and it still shows you, you know, it shows off your skin, so you're still looking sexy or trendy. And again, you can wear the biker short separate with just a t-shirt, or the top separate with a jean skirt or some jeans or whatever have you, some leggings, sweatpants, whatever, girl. Okay, so this is the next item, y'all. I was really hoping this was gonna work out for me, but as you can see, these bottoms are way too tight. I just wanted to put them on so you can kind of get an idea of what it looks like, but I do like this little cute detail. It is a drawstring. See? So that's a drawstring, but these pants, like they are smushing my booty. My hips, y'all, I got too much going on waist down. All right, I already know that. You already know that. I'm here to do these hauls for you, so when you're shopping online where you can't necessarily put them on, you get an idea. So I'm going to put my measurements down below in the box. I love this top, so it has like another drawstring on the side. So if it did fit, I would probably wear it to where this was kind of more like a crop kind of deal with the shorts, and then you have it say love on the side. You can again do the bungee cord on the side to make it kind of more tight on your arm. It has like mesh up here. It's like a mesh purple, and then it has the blue. It has the highlight of the green, and it has same on the sides. Really cute, y'all. She loves two-piece sets just as much as I do, because again, you can get your value for it. I would definitely wear this with like a ponytail. Now this is 2 pieces. I like the band that it does correspond with the top, but this just isn't really my style. So this is the only one so far where I'm like, I don't know about this, Portia. But it is comfortable. I don't know. This doesn't really seem like for my age group, so I really don't know. This is probably more for like a junior type of style, like for juniors. So if you do have someone in your life, or if you are a curvy girl plus size junior, just know that you can also shop this site. But for the most part, really good quality, really fair prices, really fast shipping. So again, this is something that's cute. Looks a little bit younger for what I would normally wear, so really not my style, but that's okay. I do like the fact that it's 2-piece. I do like the fact that it's like a coordinate. I think it's pretty trendy. It's just not something I would rock with. This black, I can kind of see my thighs through it, so I'm wondering how it would look outside. I always worry about that with shorts. So the other ones, everything else besides those, that striped 2-piece set, I don't know. I'm not too sure about those two, but the quality of the fabrics and material for everything else so far has been A+, and it's really good to note that Asoph has really good clothes. In fact, I have other hauls on this channel for Asoph. I definitely want you dolls to check that out, because this has been a newer brand to my channel and I would recommend it. Yes, Portia, yes girl. So I am feeling this bathing suit. I feel like I'm going to the old time road girl, like rodeo, hello. You got the fringe detail, which I absolutely love. I think this is very extra. I honestly would wear this as a bathing suit cover up. So it does zip in the back, but you don't have to unzip it to get it on. A little past my shins with this particular outfit, and there's a split. I think it's really extra and really cute, and it would be perfect for swim season, or if you are going somewhere and you really want to make a statement. I would rock this, of course, with dark colored undergarments, maybe some dark colored panties like black, or even black boy shorts. Or you can get away with just a black bra. This outfit is really extra, and I love that it's black. I love the sleeves, if you can kind of see. I know I have a black background, but if you can kind of see, the sleeves are belled and everything is fishnet. I wear this top a whole lot. I wear this top definitely with some jeans and some cute heels, and I would definitely wear the bottom with like a t-shirt, some kind of graphic shirt tied up. Now, whenever you have a top like this, obviously you have to wear a bra. You can either get a safety pin and pin it, of course, but what I like to do sometimes is just to pull it out and tuck it in my bra, okay? So pull it out, tuck it in your bra. It just works, okay? So this is that. I love this because you can put on a belt and kind of cinch it at your waist. I love it because it is wide leg, and not just wide leg, but it's also very baggy on the bottom. So it's very romantic. It's all sheer. This is like a sheer material, and I just love the shape of this. The shape of this is really pretty. Look at this, look how flowy it is. I think this is really romantic and really pretty. And I'm 5'6", y'all, and it's dragging on the floor. This definitely would work well with this heels. Is definitely me. I love simple ensembles. Like, just throw it on and go. I love this because it's body conscious. It's a nice material. It's not see-through. I love that it's stretchy, and I love where it falls on me. It falls right below my knees. So this is a really cute dress. I would love to wear this with like a duster. I can wear this by itself. You can put on a blazer, you can put on a jean jacket, some sandals, some heels, whatever. This kind of dress is super versatile, and thank you so much, Portia, because I absolutely love the color too. I think the color is really pretty. I think the stretch makes it very comfortable. And I like the cut as well. The cut kind of comes up on you, but it's not a racer back. So let me show you what the back looks like. So it does cover you with any bra that you choose to wear. You can wear a full support bra. I mean, it doesn't even matter what bra you just decide to wear. But I think the color is, again, very flattering, and the material feels great. And this is probably my favorite item of the whole entire haul. Okay, and now we have another contender for my favorite of the haul. And that is, again, because I love body conscious dresses, and this one is so pretty because of the colors, okay? So this one has like tie-dye pastels. I want to get close so that you dolls can really get into the colors. Y'all. This is a really cute dress because it has this detail, which is like a knot twist, but it has like this extra fabric, so it is flattering on your belly area, which I absolutely love. But this particular dress, I like that it goes down and it's not too short, but it hits me at my knee. And then also it has the type of sleeves where it's like 3/4, okay? So covers my arms, shows my legs, hugs my body, snatches me in the waist, looks good on my booty. You already know what I'm gonna say. I recommend this, and good job, Portia. Okay, doll, so that is it so far. I wanna say you go, girl. Portia, you picked out some really cute looks for me, and I can't wait to see all of the pics that I chose for you. But y'all, give your girl a thumbs up if you like this haul, if you like Portia's pick. Be sure to check out Portia on her channels. I will put her links down below to her channel. Tell her your girl sent you. I had lots of fun with this collaboration. Let me know if you wanna see some more collabs. Also comment down below who you think I should collab with. But yes, that is it. If you like these looks that Portia picked out, I will put the links as well as the sizes of everything down below in the box. Be sure that you follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat. My name is @CRYSTALCHANEL. If you don't already subscribe to this channel, be sure that you do that. And of course, check out my fitness and my vlog channel. I'll put all those links in the bottom as well. But I want to say thank you, dolls, so much for watching. Thank you so much for your love and support. And as always, stay fabulous and stay fierce.